Hello all, welcome back to my channel. So today we will be working on shoulders. Let me just show you some dumbbell workouts. Front raise. Just keep your hand alternate moving. Bring your hand in line with your shoulder. Let your elbow be soft. Keep a count of 10 to 15, initially 2 sets. I am holding 2 kgs. You can hold as per your requirement. If you want to make this intense, a single hand movement and change other side. Throughout, try to maintain your elbow soft and bring that hand in line with your shoulder. Our second workout is side lateral. Again, elbow will be soft and hand will come in line with the shoulder. You can anytime bring both the hands up if you find that you are good to increase the intensity. Same. Counts would be 12 to 15 in this, 2 sets. Our third workout would be shoulder press. So keep your hand alternate initially. Elbow will be again in line with the shoulder. Don't try to get your hand down. And moment you feel you can increase the intensity, take both the hands up in one go. Maintain the alignment of elbow. Keep a count of 10 to 12. And we'll go for some body weight shoulder workouts. Go directly on the floor, walk in a high plank and come back. That's your one. So this is a difficult one since you're holding that body weight. So initially you can go for 8 to 10 counts and 1 set. Slowly if you're good, you can increase the intensity and add a push up to this. Whenever you're ready, just stay there in a posture. Add a push up, come back. This will build your shoulder strength. Body weight are the safest workouts. So you can hold the posture for as long as your body allows you. Keep a shoulder tap. This is our last workout, our 5th workout. Control your waist. If you want to make this intense anytime, just use one hand as a movement and other hand is holding that, other shoulder is holding that body weight. So listen to your body and do as per your convenience. Just keep a tap, control your waist, hold that posture. Hope this information helps you. Do let me know which muscle workout you want to see next. Thank you so much. Stay connected.